Hello, friends. It's a very important topic when we see the increasing role of artificial intelligence in every sphere of our lives. So, unregulated AI surveillance is a concern. We see dragnet surveillance or ubiquitous data violence. These are two very important keywords here. This refers to indiscriminate data collection beyond just suspects or the criminals, where we see that personal data of citizens is equally at risk. This can be seen from the rising frequency of the cyber attacks on the critical infrastructure. For example, the recent attack which happened on the Telangana police station, or the data breach which occurred. So, few measures that have been taken so far in India. One is under the K.S. Puttaswamy judgment 2017, Supreme Court recognized privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution, which also extends its scope to the informational privacy. Supreme Court also emphasized upon the principle of proportionality, where it was outlined in the Puttaswamy judgment itself that demand that any intrusion into the personal data should be backed by law. We need to pursue legitimate aims and be proportionate to the goal pursued. So, on similar lines, we have the Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023. But here, there are some concerns related to this act. For example, there is Section 7(1), Subclause 1, which exempts the government from consent requirements for processing data related to unemployment or employment or unemployment. So we need more of checks and balances, more reforms in the act. Now, what more can be done? So, firstly, we need a comprehensive law for the regulation of artificial intelligence on similar lines, like we have the European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act. We need more clear categorizations and restrictions for the technologies, ensuring there is ethical usage. Third is consent mechanisms needs to be there when it comes to the protecting the civil liberties. We need more transparency reports and audits and judicial oversight. Fourthly, a proactive regulatory approach is needed. We need to be clear with which body, which regulatory body is going to have what all powers when it comes to the regulation of artificial intelligence. So that's all. Thank you so much for joining with us on this video.